Hello everyone and welcome to How to Speak Bosnian. Today we will be learning about some questions and how to answer these questions. Kada or when? Danas, today. Sutra, tomorrow. Preko sutra, the day after tomorrow. Jučer, yesterday. Prekjučer, the day before yesterday. Popodne, in the afternoon. Uvečer, at evening. Ujutro, in the morning. Dan, day. Noć, night. Sedmica, week. Prošle sedmice, last week. Prošlog mjeseca, last month. Prošle godine, last year. Iduće sedmice, next week. Idući mjesec, next month. And iduće godine, next year. Kada? When? Danas. Danas. Today. Sutra. Sutra. Tomorrow. Preko sutra. Preko sutra. The day after tomorrow. Now let's look at some example sentences. Danas je lijep dan. Repeat after me. Danas je lijep dan. Today is a beautiful day. I sutra će biti sunčano. I sutra će biti sunčano. Tomorrow will be sunny too. Preko sutra bi trebala da pada kiša. Again. Preko sutra bi trebala da pada kiša. The day after tomorrow should be rainy. Kada? When? Jučer. Jučer. Yesterday. Prekjučer. Prekjučer. The day before yesterday. Jučer smo išli u školu. Jučer smo išli u školu. We went to the school yesterday. Prekjučer nismo imali predavanja. Prekjučer nismo imali predavanja. The day before yesterday we did not have classes. Popodne. Popodne. Afternoon. Uvečer ili navečer. Uvečer ili navečer. So it's one or the other. In the evening. Ujutro. In the morning. Popodne sam pospana. Popodne sam pospana. I am sleepy in the afternoon. Navečer gledam TV. I watch TV in the evenings. And ujutro pijem kafu. Ujutro pijem kafu. I drink coffee in the morning. Dan. Dan. Day. Noć. Noć. Night. Radim za vrijeme dana. Radim za vrijeme dana. I work during the day. Noć je hladna. Noć je hladna. The night is cold. Sedmica. Sedmica. That means week. Prošle sedmice or last week. Prošle sedmice, last week. Iduće sedmice, iduće sedmice, next week. Ova sedmica je jako duga. Again. Ova sedmica je jako duga. This is a very long week. Radila sam i prošle sedmice. Radila sam i prošle sedmice. I worked last week also. Radit ću i iduće sedmice također. Radit ću i iduće sedmice također. I will work next week also. Mjesec. Mjesec. Month. Prošlog mjeseca. Prošlog mjeseca. Last month. Idućeg mjeseca. Idućeg mjeseca. Next month. Još jedan mjesec i dolazi nam ljeto. Again. Još jedan mjesec i dolazi nam ljeto. One more month and the summer will be here. Another example. Prošli mjesec je bio veoma hladan. Again. Prošli mjesec je bio veoma hladan. Last month was very cold. And the last example. Idućeg mjeseca idem na odmor. Idućeg mjeseca idem na odmor. I'm going on a vacation next month. Godina. Godina. Year. Prošle godine. Last year. Prošle godine. Last year. Iduće godine. Iduće godine. Next year. Godina ima 365 dana. Godina ima 365 dana. A year has 365 days. Prošle godine smo imali mnogo festivala. Prošle godine smo imali mnogo festivala. Last year we had many festivals. Iduće godine ćemo putovati više. Iduće godine ćemo putovati više. Next year we're going to travel more. Kada or when. Danas, today. Sutra, tomorrow. Preko sutra, the day after tomorrow. Jučer, yesterday. Prekjučer, the day before yesterday. Popodne, in the afternoon. Uvečer, at evening. Ujutro, in the morning. Dan, day, noć, night. Sedmica, week. Prošle sedmice, last week. Prošlog mjeseca, last month. Prošle godine, last year. Iduće sedmice, next week. Idući mjesec, next month. And iduće godine, next year. Thank you for learning how to speak Bosnian with us today. For more awesome videos, please subscribe below. Until next time, ciao!